Welcome to Think Big. QR stands for Quick Response Code. It was designed to be read instantly by a scanner. Unlike traditional barcodes, QR codes can store much more information and can be scanned from multiple angles. Today, billions of people scan these strange black and white squares. We use them to pay bills, order food, book tickets, and access websites. But have you ever wondered who invented them and why? Surprisingly, QR codes were never meant for payments. Their story begins inside a Japanese automobile factory. In the early 1990s, Japanese car manufacturers were producing thousands of parts every day. Tracking these parts efficiently became a major challenge. Traditional barcodes simply weren't fast enough. In 1994, Masahiro Hara and engineers at Denso Wave developed a new technology called the Quick Response Code. The classic QR code was famously inspired by the ancient strategy board game Go. Their goal was simple: create a code that could be scanned faster and hold more information than a barcode. Have you ever noticed the three large squares in the corners of a QR code? These special markers help scanners instantly recognize the code and determine its orientation. One of the most impressive features of QR codes is error correction. Even if part of a QR code is damaged, dirty, or covered by a logo, it can often still be scanned successfully. Although QR codes solved a major industrial problem, few people imagined they would ever be used outside factories. For years, they remained hidden in warehouses and manufacturing plants. For years, QR codes were mainly used inside factories and warehouses, but everything changed when smartphones became popular. Suddenly, millions of people had cameras powerful enough to scan QR codes instantly. What was once an industrial tool was about to become a global technology. Then came the COVID-19 pandemic. Suddenly, contactless interactions became essential. QR codes helped businesses operate safely by replacing physical menus, forms, and payment terminals. Today, QR codes are part of everyday life. They help us pay bills, book tickets, access websites, join Wi-Fi networks, track deliveries, and much more. As cities become smarter and technology becomes more connected, QR codes continue to evolve. They remain one of the simplest and most powerful ways to connect the physical world with the digital world. What started as a simple solution for tracking car parts in a Japanese factory became a technology used by billions of people every day, a tiny square that quietly changed the world.
Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to watch more videos.